video we are learning Python inputs. So inputs are like this. Takes a user input and return it. So that's about the user input. So it will pause the program until we type anything here and press enter. We can make a variable for the input like name equals, then type here input function, then enter the prompt and you can use it anywhere. Okay, for example Mehdi. Okay, you can see. Next, so that's it. But if I think you know a fun fact. I think if not, you can type here. Yes, F statement. While typing F statement, if you type F, so we can type a string and variables both, like Mehdi. You can see. Then a fun fact, bro, that if we type here name.lore, then we type here, for example, Mehdi. You can see it will be lower. Then if we type here upper, you can see Mehdi. It will be upper. Then if we type here replace, then type here any what that's called, any number. I mean any string like H, then M, then convert it to J. For example, if F strings don't contain the functions, so if we type here Mehdi, hello Jahdi, then next is, and if we type here, okay, like I have typed here Mehdi. Hello Jahdi, bro, what's that? It is calling me names. Then data types plus inputs are like this. Like this. We can type here for any int. Like if we type here hello, bro, invalid. Value error, invalid literal for init with base 10. Okay, so the meaning is it is int, but we typed here hello, and hello is a string. So this reason it is this. We can type here string. Hello. You can see it is okay. So these are Python inputs. So you can use Python inputs with also data types, but to handle this value error, we will learn this in another part. So I hope you understand. If not, so watch this video again. So goodbye.